In this video, I will show with you how to fill exempt W-4 form taxes. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google and search for file W-4 forms, then scroll down to this website. After that, click this one, irc.gov. You will see this form, guys. This is for official website. And then you can start by completing this form. From here, write your first name. When you write your first name, write your last name. And then write your address. From here, choose your city, town, state, and then you have single or married. Choose your state here, your social state, and then this is for step 2. Complete your steps 1 and hold multiple job times. You can only following this one. From here, guys, choose your multiple jobs or 2 jobs if you have 2 jobs. Push this one if you have more jobs. And then for the step 3, write your amount, number of children under age 17 by $2,000, multiple number others dependent your by $500. Choose your all the steps, and then from here, scroll down and complete this steps 2 jobs. This is for multiple job worksheet. If you have multiple jobs, you can complete this form. These easy steps, guys. You can read all this form. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.